Howdy, my friends. Welcome to Create and Change. I appreciate y'all being here. Welcome to the community. I invite y'all to come in. We're going to be learning about YouTube. We're going to be learning about SEOs. We're going to be learning about keywords, and we're going to be working together, working through the community. I'm going to be going over things that I've learned after over a year of being on YouTube and monetizing the channel and learning some of these things and being able to offer up some help along the way. You know, we're going to be doing inside this community. You're going to find a group of supportive people. You're going to find that, questions that you have, things that you're wondering about. It's a matter of dropping a question out and you'll find the answer, and finding a group of cohorts, a group of people that you can work together with and that you can get down with as far as like, just understanding their vibe. But let's take a look at just the opening page. Here, when you come to the channel, this is what you're going to see. You're going to be brought right here to, inside the community. Welcome to Creating Change. This is good vibes. It starts with a thought, guys. Inside the community, what you can expect is weekly live group calls. Those are going to be coming very soon, within the next week. Weekly brainstorm sessions, right? Where we just talk about different stuff and try to just go over different techniques, what we're doing, just work through some things and just have fun, guys. More than anything, we're going to have fun, and it's not just going to be, do this, do that, do that. No, we're going to have some fun. We're going to laugh, and we're going to have a good time. But, we're going to have practical lessons on YouTube, thumbnails, those different kinds of things, SEO titles, all that kind of stuff. Real-time community building. You're going to get to watch from the beginning what it's like to take a community from nothing and grow it into monetize, because that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it right here in front of you, just like I did for my YouTube channel. I encourage you to go check out Creating Change GB. That's my YouTube channel there, where I do good vibes and I do different video vlog style stuff. But here at SKOOL, welcome. And I'm going to be focused more in on, as I do courses and things, helping people go from zero to firmly gotten a foothold and knowing how to apply these skills and be able to do it and set them on a path that they can then start learning the journey and not be worried about the small things. Get those out of the way and now work on the process of bringing their great content to people. This is all about just working together and learning from the beginning. So guys, I just appreciate y'all. I appreciate you guys coming in and just giving me a chance. My name is Guy. This is Creating Change. This is Good Vibes Community, all about good vibes and just helping each other grow and being consistent with one another and just enjoying the journey, guys. Going to be offering, one-on-one mentorship and paid tiers along the way. Right now, everything is free, and it will always be free. There will always be portions free, and you'll always be able to have that. But I am going to be offering paid tiers where that you can get one-on-one mentorship, or if you need some behind-the-scenes work where that you can learn some thumbnail stuff, or you can learn how to get your titles and your SEO stuff and the systems that I'm using and what I'm doing in practical terms to be able to use for yourself. I can do that. I started and monetized the YouTube channel with an iPhone 11, guys. So, I'm just saying, it has nothing to do with technology. It has to do with consistency. So guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Always good vibes. Welcome to the Creating Change community. We're going to grow this thing up and we're going to monetize our greatness together, guys. Always good vibes to all my beautiful people. Be seeing you on the inside. Take care, guys.